Now, don't you close your eyes just 'cause we videotaping. You was wiggling. Hey, Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Sticking her tongue out. She looks bigger on the camera, don't she? Hey, Zoe. Hello, Zoe. Look at you. You want to hold it back there and... Hello, Zoe. Look at you. See, they feed me nasty stuff. Make me gag. Her little eyelashes. Hey, Zoe.
They recognize them though.
She's cute. That pretty girl. That pretty girl. That pretty girl. Uh-oh. I think she's gonna poop. Say, go poop. Say, get me up. Say, get me on video.
They don't videotape me.
Say, this is right embarrassing. Yes. Say, it is. Say, you go videotape me while I poop. Say, nobody poops cuter. What you doing, huh? You can't go to sleep yet. No, you can't. You gotta get your dirty diaper changed. Hello. I'm your grandma. Hello. How are you? Hello. Her face, ain't she cute? You are a pretty girl. You are a pretty girl. So we'll send a copy of that to Mimi. Say, hi, Mimi. Say, hi, Mimi. Say, how are you, Mimi? Say, hi, little Zoe. Say, I just pooped. So I feel better now.
Hanging out in a shop for a little while, so cool around here.
Do I feel better now?
Yeah.
Makes you wonder what they thinking when they said that.
Yeah, guard dog.
Yes, you're cute.
Good guy. Nah, his name's Fred.
No, that adorable. That is adorable. See how that pretty girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl.
Yeah.
Yes, you are. You're a pretty girl. Yeah. She's getting sleepy.
A little smile.
Yeah, a little smile. Oh, say not so quick. Say not so quick.
Now we're back out in the leg.
Her complexion's real pretty, ain't it? She's smooth. Yeah, some of them burps. It's nasty stuff. See, it just keeps on trying to come back, so you got a Rolade on you.
Like no little bow on her head. Poor thing.
She's cute. So cute.
That little man went to sleep.
I didn't put him to sleep. I just put him in his
He
room.
think he went to sleep, no, he's tired.
No, I heard him just a minute ago.
Why don't you go put him to bed? He's tired.
It's too early. I gotta tell him bye before I go, too. See, we gotta go there and see that boy before we go.
I hear him in there crying.